SEE examination 2075. We're doing science from group D. Question number 22. Study the given structural formula and answer the following questions. The first one is write the general formula of the given structural formula. So the structural formula given in the question is this. Okay, this is the structural formula. So to write the general formula of this, let's check first the structure. General formula of this is going to be CnH twice n plus 2. Okay, so to check that, what you do is, here there are two carbon atoms. Okay, C2. Let's write the equation of this first. C2. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different H atoms. It's going to be H6. Okay. Now what you can see is the number of H atoms here. The number of H atoms here is twice n plus 2. Okay. So the general formula for the structure is going to be CnH twice n plus 2. Okay, that's the first part of the question number 22. The second part of question number 22 is write the name of the compound formed by the removal of one hydrogen by one OH from the above compound. So here are 6 hydrogen atoms. What's going to happen is we're going to replace one of the hydrogen atoms, let's say this, with a OH. Okay, like this. Okay, so the substitution will result in following compound. That's going to be C2H5OH, which is ethyl alcohol. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, C2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't count this, just the independent H atoms, you count that. So there's 5 H5 and the remaining OH molecule or radical. That's going to be C2H5OH, which is ethyl alcohol. Okay. Still continuing on question number 22. The third part of the question asks for write any one use of the energy produced by the burning of the given compound. It's asking for the given compound. That's going to be the ethyl alcohol, the last result that we found here, ethyl alcohol. So one use of that would be the energy produced by burning the compound. That was in the question. The energy produced by burning the compound can be used for welding. Okay, that can be used for welding. Still continuing on this same question, the fourth one, write the structural formula. We have to write the structural formula, okay, not the general formula, the structural formula of the compound which is formed by placing double bond, okay, double bond between two carbons in the given structure formula. Just write this, replacing the single bond in between the carbons by a double bond will result in following. Okay, let's start with this structure first, the structure that was given to us. Okay, now we're going to replace the single bond here. We're going to replace the single bond by a double bond. Okay, so it's going to be like this. There's now a double bond between two carbons, but what we should remember is carbon always can accept 4 different atoms. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon. Okay, just 4, always just 4. So if this carbon already has 2 bondings here, double bond here, then it's only going to have 1 and 2 hydrogens. Okay, and the same for this one, 2 already there, so 1 and 2, just 2 hydrogens. Okay, so this is the structural formula obtained by replacing this single bond with a double bond. Right? Just remember to reduce the number of hydrogen atoms here by 1, because 1 bond goes to here. Okay, just remember to account for this. and you should be good. Good luck and thank